In this experiment, we will study the magnetic field inside a solenoid quantitatively. First, set up the apparatus. Switch on the power supply. Adjust the rheostat until the current I flows through the wire is 2 amperes. Put the magnetic field sensor inside the solenoid at a point near the center of the axis. Adjust the orientation of the sensor till a maximum reading B is detected. Move the sensor to various points along the axis. Record the maximum reading B at each point. Repeat the experiment with different values of current I. Plot a graph of B against I. Repeat the experiment with different values of distance between the crocodile clips L by stretching the solenoid. Keep the current at 4 amperes. Plot graphs of B against L and B against 1 over L.